Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's affecting millions of people, the high cost of prescription drugs. If you or someone you know has struggled to afford their medications, this video is for you. Let's break down why drug prices are so high and what can be done about it. In this video, we'll cover the factors contributing to high drug prices, their impact on patients, and potential solution to address this critical issue. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Swapnil Mishra, and today we are talking about the skyrocketing cost of prescription drugs in the United States. Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 Americans have difficulty affording their medications? That's right. Many people are facing tough choices between their health and their finances. So, now let's discuss what are the factors contributing to high cost. So, what exactly makes prescription drugs so expensive? There are several key factors at play. First, the cost of research and development or R&D is incredibly high. Developing a new drug can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. Pharmaceutical companies argue that these high costs justify their prices. Next, there's marketing and advertising. Drug companies spend billions each year to market their product to consumers and healthcare providers. This heavy spending can drive up the prices of medications. In 2020, drug companies spent over $6 billion on TV ads alone. Next is pharmaceutical company profits also play a role. While these companies do bring life-saving drugs to market, they also aim to maximize profits, sometimes at the expense of affordability. The impact of high drug cost is severe. Many patients end up skipping medications because they simply can't afford them. Some ration their doses to make prescriptions last longer, which can lead to serious health consequences. The financial burden affects not just individuals but entire families. High drug costs can lead to significant debt and financial stress. High drug costs also contribute to rising health insurance premiums and higher co-payments for patients, which is making healthcare less affordable. But what can we do to solve this problem? There are several potential solutions on the table. First, promoting generic drugs. Generics are much cheaper alternatives to brand name drugs and can help make medications more affordable. Patients can also utilize discount programs and coupons to save money on their prescriptions. Programs like GoodRx offer significant discounts on a wide range of medications, allowing Medicare to negotiate drug prices could also lead to lower cost. Currently, Medicare is prohibited from negotiating prices directly with pharmaceutical companies, but changing this could provide substantial savings. Importing drugs from countries where they are sold at lower prices is another option. This could help provide more affordable medications for American patients. Another major factor is the patent system. When a new drug is developed, the pharmaceutical companies can obtain a patent giving them exclusive rights to sell the drug for a certain period, typically 20 years from the filing date. This exclusivity prevents selling generic competition and allows the company to set high prices. However, there is a practice called evergreening, where companies make slight modifications to a drug, like changing its formulation or delivery method, to extend the patent life. This keeps prices high and delays the introduction of cheaper generics. For example, the EpiPens has seen significant price hikes, partly due to strategies like these that extend its market exclusivity. Another layer of complexity comes from the drug supply chain. The path from the manufacturer to the patient involves several intermediaries, including wholesalers, pharmacy benefit managers or PBMs, and pharmacies. PBMs play a crucial role in negotiating prices between manufacturers and insurance companies. While they can secure discounts and rebates, their practices can also lead to price inflation. For example, PBMs may favor high priced drugs because they receive larger rebates from manufacturers, which can contribute to higher overall cost. This complex system often lacks transparency, making it difficult for patients and even some healthcare providers to understand the true cost of medications. Another important aspect to consider is orphan drugs. These are drugs developed to treat rare diseases, and because the patient populations are so small, the prices for these medications are often extremely high. While there are special incentives in place to encourage the development of orphan drugs, the high cost can make them inaccessible for many patients who desperately need them. High drug costs also have broader economic and social implications. They contribute to rising health insurance premiums and out of pocket costs, which can lead to reduced access to necessary treatments and poorer health outcomes. Socially, high drug prices disproportionately affect low income populations, exacerbating health disparities and contributing to a cycle of poverty and poor health. Detailed potential solutions. Regulating drug prices directly, similar to systems in other countries, could also help. Increased transparency in pricing would allow consumers to understand what they are paying for and why. Innovative payment models like value based pricing, where the cost of a drug is tied to its effectiveness, could ensure that patients are getting their money's worth. In summary, the high cost of prescription drugs in the United States is a complex issue with no single solution. It involves high R&D cost, significant marketing expenses, substantial profits, a lack of regulation, intricacies of the patent system, supply chain complexities, and the high cost of orphan drugs. However, by promoting generic drugs, increasing transparency, utilizing discount programs, allowing medical care negotiation, considering drug importation, regulating prices, and exploring new innovative payment models, we can work towards more affordable medications for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on important health issues. And let us know in the comments what do you think is the best solution to high drug prices. We would love to hear your thoughts.